5 times 5 divided by 5 divided by 5, which is equal to question mark. So are you ready to solve this equation? So let's begin with this one. So 5 divided by 5 will be 1. So we have 5 times 5 divided by 1. And 5 divided by 1 will be 5. So we have 5 here times 5, which is equal to 25. But this answer is not correct, because according to order of operation we have pemdas. So we have to go with parentheses and exponents. Multiplication and division have the same probability, and also addition and subtraction have the same probability. So always we have to go from left to right. So in our case we have multiplication and 2 division here. So let's solve this equation with right method. So according to PEMDAS, we have to start with this one, 5 times 5, which is 25, divided by 5 divided by 5. So this 25 divided by 5, 5 divided by, we have 5 here, 5, which is equal to 1. This is the correct answer for this expression. Thank you very much.